Hello everyone, my name is Andy Ye. I'm the creator of this VRMath 2.0 online learning community. And this video is the first video to introduce you to this online community. VRMath 2.0 stands for Virtual Reality Mathematics. 2.0 means it's a Web 2.0 style of web application. So Web 2.0 allows you to not just consume information, but also create. It's a read and write web. In this community, we're basically creating three-dimensional artifacts or 3D virtual worlds, and we share by blogging in this website. And of course, we have the discussion forums where you can discuss ideas and ask questions and answers. And there's a wiki for documentations. So we'll start with the process here, just to have a quick show of the screen. So you can firstly click into the create, and it will bring you to VRMath2 editor. This is the quite functional online 3D world editor. You can create quite exciting three-dimensional world. For example, you can add a box. You can put something on top of the box, move the turtle. It's a logo program environment, and basic idea is to move the turtle around, and then you can place object or create object at the spot where the turtle is. Right, so there will be more videos about this VRMath2 editor. For now, we're going to go back to the community portal. Now, when you create some virtual worlds and you saved or published in some 3D world, you can then go to the share. Share is basically to write a blog. At this stage that I have not yet logged into this site. Anonymous person can only browse the website, but cannot write a blog. So everyone is welcome to register, create an account in this online community. To create an account is as easy as just typing some information. You can click on the register, or as earlier, change to this create new account. The purpose of this website is basically for education. Therefore, when you register your account, you agree to the terms and conditions, at least the first 5. So all members should have appropriate netiquette when interact with other members in VRMath2. All activities in VRMath2 community should be education-oriented. Therefore, no commercial, no advertising activity allowed, and there's no illegal file sharing, or please do not try to hack the website. It's for educational purpose. It's good for our future generation. And of course, the webmaster reserves the right to cancel accounts for wrongdoings, as it has already happened. Quite a few users registered just for the purpose of advertising their own products. So to register, simply fill in the form and follow the instruction. I'll show that in a separate video. Now, you can create 3D virtual world, you can share, and you can go to the discussion forum where we have set up a couple of discussion forums for you to post or find answers. Then of course there'll be wiki. Wiki will be the documentations, tutorials about how to use this community website and how to use this VRMath2 editor, this one here. Then there's a search box. It's pretty easy. You can search pretty much everything. If you're interested in maybe say a cube, then you can search for cube. You can get a list of relevant pages. Then register and login. Let me go back to the home page. At the beginning, on top of the home page, there's sliders showing you some headlines in this web portal. At the moment, there are 4. There's a virtual walkthrough. If you're interested, you can click on this banner, and it goes to some stories that you can read. And so that is a virtual gallery created with VRMath2 editor, and there's also a video that if you are interested, you can view that video. Let me go back to the home page. Now below the banner, there's menus. These will change from time to time. You can read some information about this website. You can explore about some 3D virtual world created by various authors in this community. There's challenges that you can take on. There's holiday challenge, classical geometry challenge, and furniture visualization challenges at the moment. The school projects that schools can contact the website to create a space for your schools, and the students can then add in information into the school project page. Now, publication is some relevant research publications to this VRMath2, and there's archive some old pages. Now, below the menu is the editor's pick. From time to time, good or interesting blogs will be collected by the site editor and put into this sliding block. So these are probably the popular one to visit. Now below the editor's pick, there are science, technology, engineering, mathematics categories. Every blog has been classified into one of the category. It could be one blog that has involved into 2 or more categories. Say for example, if you're interested in science category, you can click on science and you can see relevant blogs. And these are all 3D virtual worlds created by VRMath2 editor. Let me go back to the home page. Now, next to the 4 categories, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, they're called STEM, S-T-E-M, is the recommended video. At the moment, it's a video promoting about the benefit of learning about programming, because in VRMath2, we are using Logo programming language to create a virtual world. Therefore, I think this is quite relevant for you to see. Then there's recent forum topics and recent wiki pages. Below everything here that is latest blog row, they are just the most recent 5 blogs. So you can see a virtual dice, virtual gallery, sundial plot, Christmas sing, and snowman. And of course, you can navigate to the other blogs if you like. Then down below, there's recent comments, most popular blogs. So that the most popular one at the moment is the dodecahedron created by a high school teacher. She's a member in this community. There's a latest poll. Do you like sharing 3D virtual world? You can, if you're a member, you can vote, or you can just see the result. Now, lastly, there's a get in touch. It's a Web 2.0, it's a social web, so you can follow VRMath2 on Twitter, or you can follow VRMath2 page on Facebook. And there are other informations that you may be interested to read. And that is the general introduction of this portal community. If you're interested, you can click into any of the blogs and you can see the content of the blog. It will list, shows you similar blogs you may be interested in, and you can have most likely a 3D content. For example, this is the Mobius ring. A person will just walk endlessly on this ring, this Mobius strip. When you're reading a blog, you can see author information and also the author's recent blogs. Of course, you can see some comments from other users. All right, I think that's all for this introduction video, and I hope you can spend some time explore what we have got so far in this VRMath2 community, and you are most welcome to register yourself to join in this community. Thanks for watching.